आई नो कि जीके सबका कंसर्न होता है। क्लैट एलेट की प्रिपरेशन का एक बहुत मेजर पार्ट है रीडिंग अ न्यूज़पेपर। एंड क्लैट एलेट उन थीम से ही क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं। सो मेजरली द स्टडी एंकर एंड दिस इज द बेस्ट जीके स्ट्रैटेजी पॉसिबल। Is GK not letting you sleep at night? Just kidding, but I know कि GK सबका कंसर्न होता है. And if you're one of those जिसको genuinely CLAT elite preparation में GK परेशान कर रही है and you do not know what to do, then this video is for you. So, in this video, we'll cover 3 major tips with which you will just solve your GK problem. And this is the best GK strategy possible, which covers all the essentials. सो एट द वेरी बिगनिंग अगर हम देखें जीके में है क्या, दो पार्ट्स हैं. सबसे पहले मेकिंग नोट्स एंड सेकेंडली रिमेंबरिंग देम. So in this video, first 3 tips will be about the first part, that is making notes, and there will be a special tip at the end which will be about remembering it. So this video will cover GK in its entirety. Now, beginning off with the very first tip, that is read the newspaper. I know ये आप बहुत बार सुनते हो and this is for different sections like logical के लिए, English के लिए भी, logical के लिए भी, legal के लिए भी, सभी बोलते हैं newspaper. But yes, it is true. CLAT A-Late की preparation का एक बहुत major part है reading a newspaper. So yes, read a newspaper every day. Ideally, like what I did during my preparation was that I used to read The Hindu and Indian Express का explained section daily. And what happens with this is इससे दो मेजर फायदे हैं. सबसे पहले you get to know the themes of GK like presidential elections, Israel Iran war, जो भी themes है, जो recurring themes हैं, you get to know. So you get to know कि इस साल में majorly theme wise important क्या हुआ है. And CLAT एडिट उन themes से ही question पूछते हैं. So you get to know that. Secondly, you get to know certain recurring things, names, dates, which just repeat in newspapers. जैसे एक साल क्लैट में प्रेसिडेंशियल इलेक्शन पे क्वेश्चन आया था. अब इफ you're someone who has read the newspaper daily, you would not find it difficult to answer those questions. क्योंकि क्वेश्चन क्या था, ये नहीं कि who won the elections, but who contested it and who lost the election. So वो जो नाम है वो बार बार न्यूज में आया था, तो you would remember that. And that is how basically a lot of things which just repeat themselves वो बस याद हो जाती है. वो आपको यूएस के प्रेसिडेंट डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प का नाम सबको पता है क्योंकि बार बार रिपीट होता है. So that is what newspaper helps you with, just remembering those recurring things. Now, but before moving on to the second tip, just wanted to tell you one thing. So majorly the study anchor conducts these classes on Thursday of GK, where I or some other mentors who themselves are from top NLUs, they take up your GK classes. So these are very essential in understanding those themes and covering your GK topics. So if you want to enroll for that, do check out the link in the description. Now, moving on to the second tip, and this is with regards to the monthly compendiums. So essentially, you should do one monthly compendium every month. And how to do this monthly compendium? So basically, first of all, which monthly compendium to do? So firstly, I used to do the study anchor ka monthly compendium, but you can also try that out, or you can also try other compendiums, but they should be of good quality. Secondly, what you can do is ki and what I also used to do कि इन जीके compendiums का used to make my own elaborate notes. कि जैसे अगर जीके compendium में एक बार supposedly national scientific advisor mentioned है, तो I would go and search up कि पहला कौन थे, second कौन थे, third, and पहली female कौन थी, कभी post बनी, ये सारी चीजें. And this specifically one example also helped me क्योंकि मेरे एलिट में exact same question आया था कि who was the first national scientific advisor of India, which I knew क्योंकि मैंने किसी जीके compendium में NSA word पढ़ा था और फिर I just searched it up. So you should just cover this. Third tip is with regards to just being aware about GK. If you see CLAT elite कैसे क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं, elite में पिछले साल क्वेश्चन आया कि which of the following IPL teams has never won a cup. So by the way, congratulations to RCB for winning this time around. तो हाँ, आंसर अब गलत हो गया, but back then the answer was RCB, and that is something which you can know if you're generally aware. So आप आसपास जब भी Instagram पे कुछ देख रहे हो, just be on the lookout for current affairs and just be inquisitive. So that helps a lot. And now the final tip, that is with regards to remembering all this. So once you have these notes and everything ready, आपके पास एक महीना होगा क्लैट और एलिट के एक महीना पहले, क्योंकि तब का जीके नहीं आता, एंड तब आपको एक महीने में सारा जीके रिवाइज करना है. तो योर नोट्स शुड बी सच कि दे शुड बी वेरी कंसाइज, वेरी टू द पॉइंट, और आपको बस जल्दी याद हो जाए. एंड इट शुड जस्ट बी OMR के वे में कि मतलब नेम्स. Don't go into analysis in your notes. So just make very short notes about names, dates, and things like that, जो OMR में आ सकती हैं. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any more questions, do let us know in the comment section. Thank you.